Hi, my name is Joel Bizoin, and I'm a mortgage leader here in the DMV. Today, we're talking about joining organizations that help you with your public speaking skills. Okay, as a loan officer, you never know where you're going to be able to use those skills to grow your business or to present in front of a real estate office or a trade organization or whatever have you. There are organizations out there that help you, with your public speaking skills that you can leverage. And use to build on that skill set. Here I am today, filming these videos. I'm a stuttering, bumbling mess a lot of the time, and growing up, wasn't much different. So I remember in school at James Madison, we had a public speaking course where we actually had to be videotaped in front of the classroom, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't make it through. And there's definitely a video floating out there somewhere on VHS with me failing, and I hope to find that video and burn it someday. So, lesson here, leverage the organizations that help you with public speaking. It's definitely a lost art, but if you can master it, it will help you grow your career as a loan officer in the industry. Thanks.